What's up, guys? So I'm going to do another trade recap using ICT CRT model on gold. So this is the trade that I took today. So going into the day, on the daily time frame, we were clearly bullish. So I went and traded with the trend. So I dropped to the 4-hour time frame, and the CRT that I did was this one here, the 9 p.m. candle. So I seen this, I marked out the high and the low, fair value gap as my key level, dropped to the 15-minute time frame, purged it, and once it purged and we had a 15-minute CSD, I noticed this fair value gap right here. So I set my entry right there, stop loss at the low, targeted the opposite side, and it was clear and done. And that's the CRT model that I did today. If we look at the rest of the day, it just absolutely ended up nuking. Honestly, I had a feeling that we were going to nuke, but I decided I'm going to trade with the trend today, because one thing I noticed is that it had a triple purge here. So 1, 2, 3. So since it had a triple purge before it touched the fair value gap, it usually, what my feeling was, it's most likely just going to nuke. And also today's a Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday have been bullish, so Wednesday is a potential midweek reversal. So it happened perfectly. And since it's a daily CRT, you use a 1-hour time frame. So if I was gonna enter here, it would have been here. But yeah, again, it wasn't with the trend, so I did not take this trade. But that's the trade recap done. I am going to be posting a lot more trade recaps of different trades that I do and take. I'm going to do another one because I did take an ETH one actually today. So let me show you guys the ETH one. ETH daily time frame, I was bearish because we touched into this fair value gap and we had a strong reaction. So I had this as my drawn liquidity. I dropped to the 4-hour time frame, and the trade that I took was, where was it? It was under 1 hour actually. It was this one, because I either do the 2 a.m. CRT, the 3 a.m. or potentially the 4 a.m. And in this case I did the 4 a.m. marked at the high and the low. 1 hour, you're meant to do the 5-minute, but I did the 3-minute. And honestly, the CSD did not happen until here, but I just had a gut feeling and I just went short right here. I had my stop loss at this high, just in case it came and took out these equal highs. I put it here, and there's also an order block aligning, and I went for a 1 to 3, and that was my trade done. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. My link to my Twitter is in the bio. My Instagram is also in the bio. It's YoungBoyGems. I do post a lot of these trades, and I give signals on my Instagram story for free, and they've been doing pretty good. So make sure y'all join up.